If you're wondering how to set up EverWebinar emails, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the steps you need to take to configure your email settings inside EverWebinar, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to optimize your email automation for maximum engagement. And stick around, because I'll also share how you can use EverWebinar completely free with an exclusive bonus offer. EverWebinar is an incredibly powerful tool for automating webinars, but if you don't have your email set up properly, you're missing out on its full potential. Let's get into it. First things first, inside EverWebinar, head to the email settings section. This is where all your email configurations live. You'll be able to create different types of emails, whether for reminders, thank yous, or follow-ups. To start, you'll want to make sure your sender email is set. This is the address people will see when you send them an email, so choose something professional and recognizable for your audience. Next thing, create your first email campaign. EverWebinar allows you to create a series of emails based on the specific actions people take. For example, you can set up reminder emails to be sent automatically before the webinar and even customize the timing. You can send reminders a day before, an hour before, or even 10 minutes before the webinar starts. Having these automatic email reminders will ensure people actually show up to your event. The third thing, don't forget about the thank you emails. After your webinar is over, you can automatically send a thank you message to everyone who attended. You can personalize these emails to keep your audience engaged and encourage them to take the next step, whether that's signing up for another webinar or checking out your offer. The fourth thing, follow-up emails. After your webinar, you'll want to send emails to people who didn't attend. With EverWebinar, you can set up automated follow-up emails that give registrants a second chance to watch the replay or access additional resources. This can help you convert leads who missed your live session into real customers. Next thing, personalization. EverWebinar lets you personalize your emails with dynamic tags. This means you can automatically insert someone's name, the specific webinar they registered for, or even the time zone they're in. These small touches make your emails feel much more personal, which can really help boost engagement rates. Now, let's talk about email sequencing. One of the most powerful features in EverWebinar is its ability to set up email sequences. You can design a series of emails to go out before and after your webinar. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 3 pre-webinar emails, one as soon as they register, one as a reminder the day before, and one the day of. And then, don't forget about follow-ups. Your follow-up email sequence should include at least 3 emails, one thanking them for attending, one offering a replay link, and one asking for feedback or to take further action. Lastly, be sure to check your analytics. EverWebinar gives you detailed insights into your email performance. You can see open rates, click rates, and more. Use this data to refine your future email campaigns and see what's working best with your audience. Before we wrap up, remember, you can use EverWebinar for free through the link below, and you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses. So if you're serious about making your webinars more effective, definitely check that out. To summarize, setting up EverWebinar emails doesn't have to be complicated. Just make sure your sender email is correct, set up reminder and follow-up emails, personalize your communications, and monitor performance through the analytics dashboard. With these steps, you'll have a streamlined email system that helps boost your webinar success. And don't forget, if you want to start using EverWebinar for free, make sure you click the link below. You won't want to miss out on that exclusive bonus. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.